So you guys, you by keys. We're looking at what is anti-money laundering, AML on Binance Academy. So it says here AML regulations attempt to stop illegal laundering of illicit funds. Individual organizations, government, and multinational, like the FATF, legislate against money laundering activities. So money laundering takes dirty money and turns it into clean money. So this can be done by disguising the origin of the funds, mixing them with legitimate transactions, and investing them into legal assets. So crypto is an attractive way to launder money due to its privacy, the difficulty in retrieving funds, and underdeveloped legislation. So large-scale seizures of crypto show criminals regularly use it to launder huge sums. So Binance and many other crypto exchanges track suspicious behavior as part of their AML compliance and report it to law enforcement. Introduction: Anti-money laundering (AML) regulations help combat the washing of illegal funds. There are requirements for centralized cryptocurrency exchanges to help keep customers safe and also combat financial crime. Due to the anonymous nature of cryptocurrency, this regulation relies heavily on monitoring customer behavior and identities. The AML consists of regulations and laws that deter the movement and washing of illegal funds. AML is closely associated with the Financial Action Task Force (FATF), set up in 1989 to encourage international cooperation. For example, AML measures target terrorist financing, tax fraud, international smuggling, and AML differs by country was a global effort to align on standards. So the difference between AML and KYC, when looking at this, and KYC checks are an obligation for financial institutions and service providers as part of AML laws. So KYC requires a user to submit personal information verifying their identity, and this process creates accountability for any financial transactions made by the user. KYC is a proactive part of AML and falls under the customer due diligence. This contrasts with other AML practices that reactively investigate suspicious behavior. So, what is money laundering? So, money laundering is when criminals make illegal funds appear as legitimate money. So, investment of financial assets. The proceeds come from crimes such as drug trafficking, terrorism, and fraud. So, laws and regulations combating money laundering differ by country. However, increasing alignment on rules is a goal of many jurisdictions and the FATF. There are three stages to laundering money. You have the placement, layering, and integration. So these are the major concepts. So how do people launder money? The traditional method has been to create fake receipts for cash based and services in shops, restaurants, and other businesses. However, uh, criminals create counterfeit receipts and pay for them with dirty physical cash, turning them into legitimate income. Thus, this inflow is then mixed in with genuine transactions to make it difficult to distinguish between both. But nowadays, anonymizing technology such as VPNs, cryptocurrencies makes the situation even more challenging. Pinning down a specific individual to laundering activity can be impossible. So one method to fight this has been tracking crypto to the ledge. By following a blockchain paper trail to an exchange, you can tie the laundered funds to a crypto exchange account or bank account under someone's name. So those are some of the benefits. So how do AM measures work? The measures work on first of all, suspicious activities such as large inflows or outflows of funds automatically flagged or reported. But during or after an investigation, the user's ability to deposit or withdraw funds is stopped. If there is evidence of illegal activity, the relevant authorities are informed. Now, cryptocurrency exchanges typically take a proactive approach to AML. For AFTF, FATF, FATF is an international organization founded by G7 to combat financing of terrorism and money laundering. So by creating a set of standards, governments worldwide would adhere to. Launderers find it increasingly difficult to find restrictions to operate in. So the usage of AML in crypto, so due to cryptocurrency's pseudonymous nature, criminals use it to launder illicit funds and commit tax evasion. So the regulation of cryptocurrency improves its overall reputation to make sure that the appropriate taxes are collected. Improvement in AML benefit legitimate crypto users, although it does require extra effort and time investment by all parties. So these are some of the key reasons transactions are irreversible. Cryptocurrency offers anonymity to regulation and more. So crypto money laundering examples. So there are loads of them. So authorities do have some sources in tracking and catching and criminals. In July 2021, UK police seized roughly about $250 million US of crypto used for money laundering. This seizure was the largest to date in the UK of crypto funds, beating a previous UK record of $158 million set just weeks before. In the same month, $3 million was seized by Brazilian authorities in a sophisticated money laundering operation. 217 companies were involved in purchasing crypto to hide illegal source funds. So the criminal organization involved set up the companies with its sole purpose in mind. Cryptocurrency exchanges also operated with criminal organizations knowingly and did not follow correct AML procedures. Looking at how Binance supports AML, it says Binance has proactively implemented numerous AML measures to help tackle money laundering, including expanding its AML detection and analytics capabilities. And these efforts fall under the AML compliance program. Binance also works closely with international agencies in helping them bring large cybercriminals organizations to justice. Closing remarks: while AML adds time to the process of trading cryptocurrency, it's important to keep everyone safe. Fortunately, governments and organizations can't get rid of all money laundering activities, but the implementation of regulations certainly helps. The technology is improving at sorting out possible money laundering, and serious crypto exchanges are taking their role seriously in helping to tackle crime. So, guys, that's all we have on today's news. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, your keys. Peace out, and more.